Alright guys, this is the final part of, where are we? I think we're in part 5 now. Yeah, we're in part 5. By the cap. Right, that's right Bubbles, we're in part 5. The final video and we're done, okay? No more like filming, cause this is what take for like ever to upload. This is really amazing, guys. Thanks for letting me be invited for this. Whoa! Whoa! The reaction. I'm so sorry. The reaction keeps getting me. Hello there. Yeah, you see some over there? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna just focus over there. Yada yada yada. Don't worry. Blah 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 blah. And the wizard stuff keeps falling. Boom! Busted! Yeah, that's my wizard staff. Mine's. This is really amazing, watching fireworks. You can keep the camera over there, but you can keep the camera over here. Ugh. This is really difficult for me. Oh my gosh. Hey, I can stand up. Amazing. Are there fireworks over there? I see some over there. But I want to see the big ones. You know what I mean. The big fireworks. Here we go. Lisa's gonna scream in the microphone real quick. Ah! Alright. No more screaming in the microphone. You did that like a lot of times in the video. Excuse me, I'm so sorry, Webkins. I'm just stepping on you. And it's okay. And the koala just fell again, for no reason. So sorry, then. Hold on. The koala keeps falling. I'm like having falling ashes! Screaming in the microphone like a trillion times. You know what? I can keep an eye over here. Alright. But it's better to do both ways. Alright. I'm so sorry for burping like behind the camera. Don't worry, I had to keep my mouth shut for that. Oh, that's amazing. I see them. I see the fireworks. What the heck is my wizard staff doing? Okay. That was really nice. I'm so sorry if the blinds are in the way, like I said like a trillion times in a video. Come on, just make something over there to be perfect on camera. You know what? I'll just stare at this directions. This direction. I see them over there. Dude, this is really amazing. I know, right? It's almost... Why is the light off? It's too dark. Well, the light's over there. Hey guys. Was that a big one? Did you caught that on camera? Because I was trying to fix Ian. You know what, guys? I think it's better to end this video. If we get this last big firework to pop out of nowhere, we can end the video. Look over there. We're not gonna care about the other one over there, because they're like too far away. There we go, there we go. Come on, make it really amazing. I think the trees are in the way. Come on, just make a perfect one so we can just end this video. Like away from the tree, so we can get it on camera. Like, please hurry up, my arms are dying. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. My arms are tired. Well, dude, if your arm's tired, just drop the camera. Not really, drop it. Alright guys, I guess the other fireworks are not going to show up. So, thanks for watching. Woohoo! Ow! What the heck was that? Can someone please pick me up? Don't worry, she will pick you up after the video. You can just show on the ground. But I don't want to show on the ground. Okay, fine. You know what? I'm just gonna end the video with Ian. Woohoo! Jeez Louise. Me too. Woo! Ow. Let's go, guys! Okay. Where's me? Okay, there we go. I haven't been in the video, so... Peace!